Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio. So um, open Visual Studio Code, then navigate to the top left bar here. You will see extensions, open up and type in GitHub Copilot. Okay, so now download two things. So we have here GitHub Copilot for Azure. So I have this one, and then you have also GitHub Copilot chat. So also enable this one. All right. Once you do that, you just simply close the Visual Studio Code to restart it, and then open up again. Also, what you can do here is you have this extension here on the website. So let me just see here. Yeah, sorry. If you go here to the GitHub that you are here in the GitHub web page, you will see at the top right corner this download button. If you click the drop down menu, you will see Visual Studio Code here, and you can install it from the web page. But it's the same as this one right here. Then what you are going to do is just simply sign in into your Copilot. And yeah, this is basically it. You will have the profile here. And yeah, once you have it, to open up this chat is really simple keyboard shortcut, which is Control A and I. You will open up this chat and close it. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next